Pull-ups can completely transform your upper body strength faster than most exercises available, but only when performed with correct technique and proper muscle activation every repetition. Most people perform pull-ups incorrectly and limit their muscle growth potential significantly today. I tested perfect pull-ups versus wrong pull-ups to compare real muscle activation differences. The activation difference was immediate and completely changed my back strength development results. Your back muscles should perform most work during proper pull-up execution every repetition. Incorrect technique shifts tension away from lats and into weaker supporting muscles instead. This dramatically reduces muscle growth efficiency and slows your overall strength progress significantly. Proper biomechanics ensure maximum mechanical tension required for faster hypertrophy muscle development results. Perfect technique allows your muscles to work smarter, not harder during pull-ups. Your lat muscles are primary drivers responsible for powerful pulling strength and width. Activating your lats properly increases muscle stimulation and improves growth efficiency dramatically faster. Most beginners rely too much on arms instead of using their back muscles. This prevents optimal muscle recruitment and reduces overall pull-up effectiveness significantly long-term. Shoulder position determines whether your lats activate correctly during pull-up movement execution. Depressing your shoulders activates lats before starting upward pulling movement toward the bar. This pre-activation ensures proper muscle engagement and improves strength output immediately during exercise. Elbow movement direction directly affects which muscles perform most work during pull-ups. Pulling elbows downward maximizes lat activation and improves muscle contraction quality significantly faster. Pulling elbows backward incorrectly reduces efficiency and limits muscle growth stimulation dramatically. Chest position also determines effectiveness of pull-up muscle activation and growth results. Bringing chest toward bar improves contraction and enhances back muscle engagement significantly better. Body stability ensures consistent muscle tension throughout entire movement range during pull-ups. Swinging your body reduces tension and prevents optimal muscle growth stimulation effectively. Controlled movement ensures maximum activation and improves strength gains significantly faster overall. Full range motion ensures complete muscle contraction and improves development dramatically faster results. Slow eccentric lowering increases muscle tension and enhances hypertrophy stimulus significantly more. Controlled descent strengthens muscles and improves endurance effectively over consistent training periods. Proper grip positioning improves stability and enhances pulling strength significantly faster results. Shoulder width grip provides optimal balance between strength and muscle activation efficiency overall. Core engagement stabilizes your body and improves force transfer efficiency dramatically faster. Tight core prevents energy leaks and improves muscle activation quality during pull-ups. Stable spine alignment protects joints and improves strength output significantly more efficiently. Proper posture ensures safe movement and maximizes muscle growth potential significantly faster. Consistent practice improves neuromuscular coordination and enhances strength development significantly over time. Neural adaptations improve strength even before visible muscle growth appears externally first. Correct technique improves muscle activation instantly and increases workout effectiveness dramatically faster. Perfect pull-ups create stronger muscles and improve overall upper body performance significantly. Improved activation leads to faster strength gains and better muscle definition overall. Better technique reduces injury risk and ensures sustainable strength progress long-term. After correcting technique, my back strength improved significantly within just 14 days. My lat muscles activated stronger and became visibly more defined quickly over time. Pull-ups became easier and required less effort due to improved muscle efficiency. My overall strength increased faster compared to previous incorrect pull-up training method. Proper technique delivered faster muscle growth without increasing workout volume or intensity. Correct form transformed pull-ups into a highly effective muscle-building exercise instantly. Small adjustments created massive improvements in muscle activation and strength development quickly. Perfect pull-ups maximize efficiency and produce superior long-term muscle-building results consistently. Always prioritize technique first before increasing repetitions, resistance, or workout intensity levels. Subscribe now to learn science-based techniques for faster muscle growth and strength.